Use the FOIL method to multiply these binomials. With the FOIL method, you multiply the four terms from the two binomials in a specific order. Multiply the first terms, then the outside terms, then the inside terms, then the last terms. So let's multiply these binomials. Fill in the terms here. We get x plus 1 here, and then here we get x plus 2. The product of the first terms is x times x, or x squared. The product of the outside terms is 2 times x. The product of the inside terms is 1 times x. And then the product of the last terms is 1 times 2. Simplifying, we get x squared plus 2x plus 1x is 3x, plus 1 times 2 is 2. So the expanded form is x squared plus 3x plus 2.